Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to boil meat and turkey the right way, improve the taste of your turkey and get a rich flavorful meat stock, perfect for jollof rice, for fried rice, for spaghetti, for stew, for anything. Don't let me talk much, let's get it started. Let's get cooking. What I'm going to pour direct into the pot now are the beef that I'll be cooking. There I also have cow skin, I have cow leg, I have beef, I think I also have shaki there. Yeah, assorted meat are what I have there. I'm going to add salt direct into it since they are already well washed. They are very clean. I'm going to add seasoning mixture into it. Add your curry, thyme, oregano and so on. Onion, this is very important. So your diced onion is very important, like I've said. Feel free to use any kind of ingredient you're used to. So I added water into it and I bring it to a boil. This is how I'm going to be stirring it. Lovely. I'm going to stir it and make sure that it is well circulated, and I won't allow it to get burnt as well. Okay, now I love what I have here. Look at the meat. The beef is done. The cow legs are also tender to my taste. They get quickly done. This is very good. In case your own cow leg or the cow skin is still tough, you can also just remove the beef and allow the cow legs and the cow skin to cook for some minutes more until they get tender to your taste. I'm just going to take all the meat out of the meat stock now. Look at it, the aroma it is super tender, and in this very meat stock is where I'm going to pour in my well washed turkey. Yes, you heard me well. The meat stock we use for the beef, and I added a bit of seasoning into it and some diced onions. Lovelies, give this a try. I bet that you're going to love it. Okay, so I covered it and allow it to cook for about 7 minutes. I open it, give it a good stir together, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes more. Okay, because turkey gets cooked so easily, and in this meat super concentrated meat stock, the beef has also improved the flavor and the taste of this turkey. Lovely, give this a try. I bet that you're going to love it. It is so simple, and you see that meat stock, oh my goodness, perfect for anything you want to cook. Thanks for watching.